How to charge the inside tank from outside. The first time we open the machine, we entered to the clear interface. At this moment, LP and HP gauge are 0. Press start and it will stop automatically about 4 minutes. Or if the gauges drop below 0, we can press stop to end the operation. Clear mainly used to drain the non-condensable gas in the tank and hose. Next, let's charge the inside tank from outside. Find the same size connector and connect with the tank. We equipped 2 connectors in the machine and check if it is stable. We use LP hose charging. Under the closed situation, connect with the tank. And make sure the connecting is stable. Then turn on the refrigerant tank switch and the low pressure connector coupler. To make sure recover the liquid refrigerant, we need to revert the tank. At this moment, LP gauge is raised. Press recover and start. It's better to recover 3 to 5 kilograms in first time. When recover near to 3 kilograms, put the tank upright. Close the tank switch. When the HB and LP gauge drop to 0, machine will stop automatically. Enter the drain oil. Here don't need. Press stop directly. Then we close the LP cover and remove it. The first step is finished. How to recovery. Here we assume the side glasses as the car AC system. Under closed situation, LP and HP connect with the side glass. After connect, turn on the connector. Here we can see both gauges are raised. Then press recover and start. When the 2 gauges drop below 0, we'll stop automatically and drain oil. The amount of drain oil can be referenced for oil injection. Then press stop, finish the step. How to vacuum and inject oil. Press vacuum and start. Choose the time according to different situation. Here we choose 1 minute and then start. 2 gauges drop below 0. Vacuum finish. Here we can have a leak test for AC system. Wait 1 minute, see if the 2 gauges changed. If not, there is no problem. Different car inject oil amount is different, or we can reference the drain oil amount. The oil bottle amount is better more than actual amount to prevent inject the gas into the car AC system. Press oil inject when amount is enough and release it. Vacuum and inject oil is finished. How to charge. Press charge. Enter the weight, different car with different weight. Here we enter 5 grams and start to charge. Here we can choose LP charge or LP-HP charge. Usually use LP-HP charge. The HP and LP gauge rise simultaneously. Will stop automatically after charge finished. Then press stop. Charge finish. How to operate automatically with 1 key operation. Press start. 1 recovery. 2 vacuum. 3 low pressure holding. 4 inject oil. 5 charge. Then press start to set different values. After finish setting, press start. Machine start work automatically. 1 key operation finished. How to release gas. When the work tank pressure is more than 15 bar, there are non-condensable gas in the tank. We need to release it to protect the machine and the AC system. Press 0, inject oil. When pressure drop, press stop.